Okay, so okay, we gotta do this one. Okay, make sure. Okay, let's click the main body of this one. Then open. Okay, go to your student data files folder. Okay, open new styles. New styles. Open this file, and then we need to copy this web address quick part. So click the insert tab, and then click this quick part arrow. Okay, building blocks organizer. Click this one, building blocks organizer, and then okay, make sure this is in ascending order by name, and then R. Type R. So we're supposed to have R in your rock gym. Just click the rock gym. Okay, rock gym, something, and then edit property. Edit property. So we're gonna add this one into the building blocks. So click the save in building blocks, and then click OK. All right, click OK. Then close. So now go back to our form. The form. Then click this quick parts. Then you will see this one. Right. So let's do our macro again. The macro. Alright, so macro. So click the view tab, macros arrow, record macro. Okay, the macro name is, we have to do this one again because we didn't complete this, right? And then the type this in the description, and the keyboard is, okay, exist macro, replace it, yes. Okay, click here, and then hold down the Alt, Control, Shift, and letter B, and then assign. Okay, so you should have this information, and then close. Alright, so letter A is click the insert tab, and the header, edit header, insert tab, and then we will insert this one, the web address. Alright. Okay, now click the home tab, and then paragraph group. Okay, click the right align button. Okay, this one, right align. So this address is right aligned. And click the header. Okay. And then close it. Alright. And then stop macro recording. So what we did is we just once we click the hold down the Control Shift Alt B, then this will be automatically inserted like this. Okay. Now let's edit the web address macro so that the header is center aligned. Okay. Go to view tab, macro. Okay, view macros. Here is insert footer. Here is insert web page, edit. Click edit. Then you will see this editor, macro editor. Okay, we want to insert center aligned. So right now it is right aligned. So look at this. Look at the third line from the bottom. Okay, this one aligns to the right. So we will change this right into center. Okay, center. C is capitalized, center, and then close. Okay. Okay, so why don't you click the header, double click the header, and then remove this. Do you remember we just update, modify the macro so that this web address now align in the center, not to the right. Okay, and then double click the body of the document. So from this, hold down the Control key, Alt key, Shift key, and press B. Can you see it? So the macro just ran, and then the macro is, copied this address and then center aligned like this. Okay, now save it. Okay, create auto new macro. Alright. Okay, here is 10%. Okay, so let's create another macro. Okay, new macro, and the macro name is auto new. And then the description contains this. And then this time we don't have a keyboard. We don't have keyboard, so click OK. And then now we need to do these 4 steps to record the macro. So use the advanced find tab. Okay, find the home tab and then find advanced. So we will search for 10%. Next. So we found it. Then close this box. Okay, in the font group of the home tab, okay, text highlighter color. Text highlighter. This is text highlighter. So click this. So this one is highlighted with the yellow, and press down arrow. So the cursor moves to the down, and then stop recording. Okay. So we just made auto macro. Okay, now remove the highlights you added while recording. Okay, and then save the document. Okay, now remove the highlight. So select this highlight, remove, no color, and then save the document. Alright, and then once you open, because this is a template, so once you open this template, this will be automatically highlighted. Okay, save it. Open a File Explorer window, navigate to the location where you save your file, and then open this template. Alright, so go to your student data files folder. Okay, this is template, right? Template. So if you double click it, then this will create a new document. And do you remember we inserted some fill in field, right? So the first one is enter the event date. So type June 4th, 2021. Okay. And next one is enter student name. So type your name, enter, and then the contact number 206 555 0103. Alright, so all the information is filled in like this. This is automatic date, and this is automatically filled with yellow highlighted. Okay, now save the document as a regular Word file. So the regular Word file, so the file name is form test. So save file tab, go to the file tab, and then save it as, okay, go to your working folder, and the file name is form tests. Okay, so this is, look at this, docx, right? Docx, just regular standard document, Word document. Okay, so if you change, so save this one, close this one, save, close, and this one you don't have to save it, so don't save it. Alright, so we are done for this practice exercise.